Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete photos from Google Drive. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google App Store or to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Google Drive application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have one. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically, as you can see, we have, in the bottom, we have the home, start, shared, and the files option. And also in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, recent, offline, spam, and bin options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete photos from Google Drive. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So step 1 is to download and sign into Google Drive, as I said, mobile application with your Google account. Step 2 is switch to File Interference and tap the icon with 3 dots beside the photo you want to delete. Step 3 is to remove at the bottom of the pop-up menu. And at the end, step 4 is to reassure and tap Move to Trash in the pop-up window. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then guys, bye guys.